Welcome all. Today, we have a captivating question from the SSC CGL Tier 2 paper held on the 2nd of March 2022. The colossal building stood amidst the ruins bearing signs of Victorian architecture. We need to find the perfect antonym for the underlined word colossal. Now, let's examine our options and discover the one that stands out. Option 1, enormous. Option 2, extraordinary. Option 3, quaint. Option 4, tiny. Let's kick off with option 1, enormous. Picture a colossal building and something enormous. They both convey the idea of immense size, don't they? So, we can rule out option 1. Next up, option 2, extraordinary. Extraordinary means remarkable, exceptional, or out of the ordinary. But does it truly represent the opposite of colossal? Not quite. So, let's keep sleuthing. Now, we approach option 3, quaint. Quaint brings to mind charm, something delightfully old-fashioned or attractive in an unusual way. It's a tempting choice, but does it truly contrast with the grandeur of a colossal building? Let's delve deeper. Lastly, we have option 4, tiny. Tiny, the word that stands in complete opposition to colossal. Imagine a tiny object standing next to a colossal building. It's like a David and Goliath situation, a striking juxtaposition in size. And there you have it. The correct answer is option 4, tiny. It perfectly captures the opposite meaning of colossal. While quaint may seem alluring, tiny truly embodies the notion of being small and contrasting in size. Thank you. Do subscribe to our channel for more questions and their solutions.